How to use split screen with YouTube TV on Android. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to use split screen mode with YouTube TV on Android devices. Split screen allows you to view YouTube TV alongside another app at the same time, which is useful for multitasking. Let's learn how to do it. Split screen or split window is a feature available on most modern Android smartphones and tablets. This feature allows you to display two apps side by side or one above the other on your screen. To use split screen with YouTube TV, first ensure that split screen is supported and enabled on your specific Android device model and operating system version. The process for entering split screen mode can vary slightly depending on your Android device manufacturer and version. A common way to enter split screen is through the recent apps or multitasking view. First, open the YouTube TV app and start playing some content. Then go to your device's home screen or open the recent apps view. This is usually done by pressing the square or recent apps button on your navigation bar or by swiping up and holding from the bottom of the screen. In the recent apps view, find the YouTube TV app card. Tap and hold on the YouTube TV app card. A menu of options should appear. Look for an option that says split screen, split top, split left, or an icon representing split screen, often two rectangles. Select the split screen option. The YouTube TV app will then occupy one half of the screen. The other half of the screen will typically show your home screen or a list of your other recent apps. Select the second app you want to use from this list or by navigating to it on your home screen. The second app will open in the other half of the screen and you will see both apps simultaneously. You can usually adjust the size of each app's window by dragging the divider line between them. To exit split screen, drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom or left or right of the screen, or use your device's multitasking controls to close one of the apps. Keep in mind that not all apps are fully compatible with split screen mode, but YouTube TV generally works well in this configuration. We hope this video helped you learn how to use split screen with YouTube TV on Android. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.